Good morning, dear student. I hope you continue your study and you should start hard work, that is more and more practice, because exam is coming. You should prepare your exam and you should prepare your notes by watching the video and study material. You should read your books also, because some question comes in between the book, so you can prepare yourself. Today I will discuss how we use addition of fractions in problem solving, and after that subtraction of fractions, and how subtraction of fractions can be used in problem solving, and how this fraction can be subtracted from a whole number. So now come on here on page number 82. I hope you are completing your practice question regular. So chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. Action. In last video, I have discussed how to write the fractions. Before addition of fraction, you have to check it is like or unlike. If they are unlike, then you have to convert into like fraction. So now come on here, first one on page number 82. First, here you can take your textbook and read the question from book. A labor worked 4 and 3 by 4 hours in the morning and 3 and 1 by 6 hours in the evening on particular day. How many hours did he work on that day? So you know, here we add. You can write the statement in your language or anyway. A labor one in the morning four and 3 by 4 hours, and that labor worked in the evening he worked 3 and 1 by 6 hours. You know that children, this number 4 and 3 by 4 is 4 and 3 quarters. This number is more close to 5, and this number is more close to 3. So total numbers of hours we working 5 plus 3, near about 8 hours. So after that you write the last line statement. How many hours will he work on that day? So you can write hence he worked on that day. You know, here we plus. I hope you know how to use operation in problem solving. It is very important. How to add it? First we convert it to improper operation. 4 to the 16 plus 3, 19 by 4. This also 19 by 6. They are unlike fraction. You should convert it to like fractions. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Here should be multiplied by 3. 19 by 6 here multiplied by 2. So plus here 19 3 are 57 by 12 plus 36 38 38 by 12. is more close to 8 hours. If this number was 96 by 12, it will come directly 8 hours. But in 95, so 7 and 11 by 12. See, 11 by 12 is more close to 1. You can suppose 11 by 12 as approximately 1. So that labor work on that day 8 hours approximately. You can read it here, don't write 8 hours, but in your mind keep this number is approximately 8. So after that, third one, children, I am going to write the statement shortly. You can write the statement for in the exam or your notebook. So now come on here, third one. Third one, a woman bought 2 and 3 by 4 kg of sugar. Children, 2 and 3 by 4 means 2 and 3 quarters. Means this amount is more close to 3 kg. And 5 and 1 by 6 kg of rice and 7 and 1 by 8 kg of meat from a provision shop. And make them into separate packets. Find the total weight C bar. So you can write a woman bought sugar for this much. Second line, that woman bought rice this much and weight this much. And then last line, so that the total weight you can add. I am writing here only one line statement. Third one, because time is very less, syllabus is so long. So I would like to only one line statement. The total weight I want bought and the total weight a woman bought. You know, here we will use the addition 2 and 3 by 4 kg of sugar, 5 and half kg of rice, 7 and 1 by 8 kg of wheat, and kg. First convert into a proper fraction. 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. 5 plus 10 1 11 by 2. 7 and 56 1 say 57 by 8. This much kg. You know the ratio of 4 to 8 is 8 because 8 is the least number which is divided by 4, 2 and 8. If you find the LCM, it will 8. So 11 by 4 multiply by 2, 11 by 2 multiply by 4 and plus 57. Here LCM and denominator are same. So ये दो multiply by 1. So 22 by 8 plus 44 by 8 plus 57 by 8 kg plus 7 4 11 and 2 13 and 1 carry 5 plus 6 10 10 and 2 12 123 by 8 kg. You can convert into mixed fraction. You divide 123 by 8, 15 will be quotient, 3 will be remainder and 8. So 15 and 3 by 8 kg. So C bought near about 15 kg of weight. You can guess here this number is more close to 3 this can be supposed as 5 or 6, 3, and here 6, 9, and 7, 16. Or you suppose this number as 5, it will come near about 16, between 15 and 16. So you can understand easily. And last one of this problem solving. Last one, children, see Anita bought 3 and 2 by 5 meters of green ribbon and 7 by 10 meters of red ribbon and join them together to make a long ribbon. Find the total length of the ribbon. So I understand you will place here length of green ribbon and the length of red ribbon. Both are joined. Here asking to find the length of long ribbon. So you should add it. You can write a statement anyway, length of red ribbon this much, length of green ribbon this much, and the total length of long ribbon you should place. I am writing here, I am writing a statement starting question number 5. The total length of the ribbon are joint ribbon or long ribbon. Anyway, hence total length of joint long ribbon so you should add here 3 2 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10 meters 5 to 18 and 2 sorry 5 to 15 and 2 17 by 5 20 and plus 7 27 CLCM of 5 and 10 17 by 5 multiplied by 2 and 27. This denominator and LCM are same, so you can write the same fraction 10 plus 27 by 10. Then add here 7 and 4 is 11. 3 to 5 and 6 by 10. This much meter you can convert into which number, then you can guess near about how many meters long the long ribbon. So 10 6 60 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is very less quantity, that is the long ribbon was near about 6 meters. I hope you understand how to use the action of fractions in problem solving. And after the subtraction, so the process of subtraction just like the process of addition. That is, before subtracting, you should check the fraction are like or unlike. If they are like, then you have to subtract the same denominators. You have to add the same denominator and subtract only numerators. And if fractions are unlike, then first you convert into like fractions and after that subtract. So answer number 83 you can do yourself. I am going to do here answer number 84 how you can subtract a fraction from whole. Until number 84. Subtract 1 and 1 by 5. How is subtract a fraction from whole number? So whole number can be written in a fraction form by adding the denominator as 1. it will remains itself that quotient, and 1 can be written 1 by 5. See, you can write that 1 can be written 1 divided by 1, and this is 1 by 1. So in the place of 1, we can write 1 by 1. Our given whole number are written here, so you can write that whole number in fractional form by writing the denominator as 1. Now see how to subtract it. When you are thinking this is not fraction, this is also fraction. Numerator and denominator are same, this is the whole number part. So how to subtract this denominator 1, this denominator 5? Both having different denominators, that is both are unlike fractions. So how to subtract unlike fraction? First to convert these unlike fractions into like fraction by taking LCM and using the equivalent fraction property. So LCM of 1 and 5, LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. And what to multiply here? LCM 5 to divide by this respective denominator by 1. If 5 divided by 1, quotient will be 5. So we will multiply by 5. Here LCM 5, this denominator also 5 divided by 1. So by 1 we can multiply. I can write the same fraction. 5 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Now both are like fractions, that both denominators are same. So we will subtract the numerators only. 5 minus 1 by 5, that is 4 by 5. And when we are solving directly like this question, we can replace 1 as here we want to take out 1 out of 5 part, that is 1 cube from 4. What is that whole part? 5 out of 5. So 1 can replace 5 by 5. So when you are writing this 5 by 5, 1 by 5 by 3, and they are doing 4 by 5. This method also correct. So you can use any method. What is easy for you? And after that, here the second type question, how to subtract a fraction from a whole number, that is 7th one. Here are asking 2 minus 3 by 4. So here 2 can be replaced 2 by 2 divided by 1 or 2 by 1. So in the place of 2, this can be written as 2 by 1. Because if any number divided by 1, it remains unchanged. So 2 can be written 2 by 1 and 3 by 4. So 2 by 1 is sum of 1 and 4 is 4. So here 2 multiplied by 4, 3 by 4, and here 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So 8 minus 3 is 5 by 4. You can convert this number 1 by 4. And the last one, suppose the number here 3 and 1 2 by 7. 3 minus 1 and 2 by 7. So 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 7 is 7 plus 2 9 by 7. LCM of 1 and 7 is 7. Are these fractions to multiply by the denominator? This type question 7, and you have to write the same as, so 21 by 7. 21 by 7 minus 9 by 7. 21 minus 7. This will be 12. 12 by 7. And you can convert this into this number 7 by 7 and 5 by 7. 1 and 5 by 7. So remaining can complete. I will give as a practice question. And now come on page number 85. In this one, I would like to do only anyone suppose 7. Here this question consists of this number and improper 3 by 4. So how to subtract improper first convert it into improper by 10 divided by 2 and 3 to 12 15 by 4. I have already told subtraction of fraction just like addition. In the place of addition we will find the minus here. 11 LCM of 2 and 4. They are alike. Multiplication by taking LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So 11 by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 15 by 4. problem solving. Problem solving, first one. Rihanna needs 5/8 of a cup of chopped onion for a receipt. After chopping all the onions, she has 3/5 of a cup of chopped onion. How many more of chopped onion does she need? So I try to write this shortly. Rihanna needs more chopped onion each, and needs more onion is 5/8 minus 3/5. Both are like fraction. The sum of 5 and 8 is 14. 5/8 multiplied by 5, 3/5 multiplied by 8. So 25/40 minus 24/40. If you solve 1/40, this is the answer. Suppose I am going to how we use a subtraction in this problem solving. Suppose I am taking the whole number part. Suppose you want to make 5 factors. Suppose you want to make 5 factors, but you have only 3 factors. If I ask how many more factors you need, so what will your answer? 2. How came to 5? That is total numbers what you require, and the number of papers you are eaten. You have to subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. So your answer will be 2. So same type question is this one, but here numbers are given fractional form. So you can do easily. And second, third one, this type question many times you have to complete it in a whole number problem solving. The sum of two fractions is given, one fraction is given, one fraction is given. Here also you find the other fraction. So you should minus. Suppose the sum of two number is 10, and out of these two number, one number is 7. What will be second number? 3. How can 3? 10 minus 7 is 3. So like that, I will write only one line. Statement other fractions. Hence other fraction. Hence other fraction is you subtract given number from the sum of the fraction 1 and 1/5. This will be 7/2 and this will be 6/5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 7/2 multiplied by 5 and 6/5 multiplied by 2. So 35/10 minus 12/10. So 5 times 2 is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 23/10. That is answer 2. Answer will be 2 and 3/10. This is the other number or second number. I hope children you understand, and I will give some practice question related to this video. You can solve at home in class or only. And how was the video, children? Please tell me. Okay, I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.